Hello, I'm Larry Marchand with United Grinding. Today we're going to talk about grinding parts for the gas turbine industry in the energy market. What we're looking at here is a series of parts used in typical gas turbine engines that create energy for electrical and pumping applications. The part I'm holding here is a blade that goes in a gas turbine engine. This directs the energy from the combustion into a rotational mechanism that creates the transformation into electricity. One of the critical elements of this is grinding what they call the root form, or the attachment. This positions the blade in the wheel in optimal position for the accuracy of the turbine. We here at United Grinding provide a series of grinding machines that create all these critical features, holding exacting tolerances within plus or minus 5/10 of a thousandth of an inch and surface finishes below 16 RMS. This allows for the optimal performance and life of the part in the turbine engine. If you have any interest in any of these parts used in the energy market, please reach out to us at United Grinding. You can find us on the web at grinding.com.